How to install AttackShark X68HE software. The AttackShark X68HE is a powerful magnetic switch gaming keyboard, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need to install the official software. Let's walk you through the process step by step. So start by visiting the AttackShark official support page. And then from here, go ahead and look for the X68HE. So you can go ahead and use your search bar to search for this specific item. Now go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you'll find this AttackShark X68HE software. So simply click on this and you'd be able to download the executable file for the specific software of this specific keyboard. Make sure you download the correct version for your keyboard batch. Older and newer units may require different builds. Connect your X68HE keyboard to your laptop or PC via USB. Ensure your system meets requirements. Windows 10 or 11 with at least 4 GB of RAM is recommended for smooth performance. Run the installer file you downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the drivers and the control software. And once complete, restart your computer to finalize the setup. Open the AttackShark software. Here you can customize RGB lighting effects, assign macros, adjust activation points, and enable rapid trigger settings. Save different profiles for gaming or productivity. That's how to install AttackShark X68HE software.